Good morning, first grade. This is Mrs. Webb with you guys today. I hope you're having a great day so far. And we're going to do our phonemic awareness, our yellow book, and then our phonics lesson. Okay, we're going to start with listening for the consonant blends in a word. So the first word is princess. Per is our consonant blend, and it is at the beginning of the word princess. And so what I want you to do is listen for the consonant blend, and then you're going to say beginning, middle, or end where you hear it in the word, okay? So for princess, you would say princess, and then say beginning, because the per is in the beginning. Slinky. Good, beginning, slow. Instant. Middle. Agree. These are kind of tricky. Agree. It's the grr. Did you say middle? It's in the middle. How about this one? Blubber. That's a funny one. Bull in the beginning. Good. Okay, one more. Seascape. Sk was in the middle. Did you get that? All right, let's move on. Let's segment some words, okay? Segment means to split up by syllable. So I'm going to say the word and you're going to segment them out, okay? Chimpanzee. Chimpanzee. Did you get it? Next one, September. September. Next one is family. Family. Did you do it? Okay, last one. Let's do it. Hamburger. Hamburger. Good job. Okay, now let's do some substituting with syllables. Say power. Now change pow to shall. Shower. How about unsent? Say unsent and change un to ab. Absent. Good. Say puddle. Now change pud to need. Needle. Good. Now say comet. Change calm to plan. Planet. Good job. Let's go to the next section. Now we're going to add a syllable to our words, okay? So say fur. Now in front of fur, add trans. Did you get it? Transfer. Say visible. And before visible, add in. Invisible. Good. Say possible. Now before possible, add im. Good. Impossible. One more. Say wave. In front of wave, say micro. Microwave. Did you get it? All right. Let's go to this last one for deleting syllables. You guys are doing great. We're already doing week 35 or 34. Can you believe that? We are on week 34 already in the yellow book. Okay, we're going to do our deleting syllables. Say honestly. Now delete ly. What did you get? Honest. Disagreeable. Good. Now delete able. Yeah, disagree. Entertain. Now delete tain. What do you get? Enter. One more. Say dragonfly. And delete fly. What do you get? Dragon. All right, you guys, good job. So I'm going to start a new video for you for your phonics lesson. So click on the next one for your actual phonics lesson. Okay, see you soon. Bye.